Hello and welcome to the Ethereum and Solidity course. The reason we designed this complete course is to be your best resource and guiding you from zero to hero in learning to become an Ethereum blockchain developer. So if you are wondering why blockchain is so famous today and what is blockchain actually, simple. Blockchain is just a database and very secure database. Because blockchain is very secure, that's why nowadays many industries already switch and implement the blockchain database as part of their system, such as automotive, banking, government, oil and gas, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, retailer, travel, telecommunications, entertainment, and supply chain. And there are a lot of companies that are coming from those industries. Walmart from the supply chain industry, HSBC from bank industry, AIA from insurance, Westfield from real estate, Singapore Airlines from travel, FDA US Food and Drug from healthcare, and still many more. Hundreds or even thousands are using the blockchain system. And Walmart, one of the largest food retailers in the US with 4,253 stores, are starting introducing blockchain to food supply chain for improving the food safety for their brand happiness. So after you are knowing and hearing a little bit of information about the blockchains, probably you might ask, what skills actually you will gain from this course? You will be able to use the famous Remix Ethereum editor. You will be able to code using the Solidity high-level programming language, build blockchain application using the Truffle WordPress Ethereum framework, using the MetaMask Ethereum wallet for making the transactions, using Ganesh Ethereum personal blockchain for development and run tests on your smart contract, using the Mocha.js for automated testing your smart contract, and more. So do not only learn those basic skills, but we will also guide you on creating the projects, from simple smart contract to advanced smart contract, the lucky draw applications, the real-world blockchain applications such as food supply chain, decentralized applications, and the famous cryptocurrency or Ethereum ERC20 token. Although cryptocurrency is so much popular today, still many of them are questioning, what is cryptocurrency actually? So cryptocurrency or token is just a digital or virtual currency that are used to facilitate secure online transactions such as making and receiving payments by using the blockchain system. And if you want to know, or maybe asking me, so what the famous cryptocurrency companies in 2021? Sure. So they are Bitcoin, Ether from Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Polkadot, Stellar, Binance Coin, Tether, and more. And many people out there asking the same questions, why there are lots of cryptocurrency companies out there, and why they are so much popular in these recent years? The first reason is the fees are very low, so it makes sense for many people to use cryptocurrencies, pay for items online, and lots of people also find it to be safe. The second reason is getting easier to use the cryptocurrency because more websites are starting to accept cryptocurrency as payment, and this will only become more prevalent in the future. And the third reason, the ease of getting or purchasing cryptocurrency from reputable sources has helped it to grow in popularity. And then the last reason, people start to see the cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin as the currency of the future, and many are racing to buy them now, presumably before they become more valuable in more years to come. And after you are hearing a bit of information about the cryptocurrency, now is the time for you to be asking, so what skills of cryptocurrency you will gain from getting this course? You will learn how to create Ethereum ERC20 token. You will learn how to transfer tokens between wallets. You will learn how to destroy or burn the token and what are the benefits of burning the tokens. You will learn how to stop or pausing the token contract when something bad happens to your token contract. You will learn how to do the token security audit or checklist to find if there are any token bugs and vulnerabilities inside your token contract. And so many students are asking the same questions all the time. Can they be able to learn this course? Don't worry about that. This course is designed to be easy to learn and well suited for complete beginners to programming. It is also suitable for programmers who are experienced in another language and want to pick up a new skill in Ethereum and Solidity. And finally, this course is also approachable for programmers who already know the basic Ethereum but want to level up their skills with the advanced topic in this course. And the same questions is also be asked, how we deliver this course? 100 plus of lectures on high quality videos that open with professionals and intelligent video e-learning environment that provided by udemy.com. And we make sure that you are not copying pasting code anymore into your code editor, but every code or syntax is being explained so much clearer step by steps. And the code that related to every single lecture has been stored on the resources. Click on the resources to download the code. Download and compare the resource code with your own code. If there are any missing codes and steps, that is unintentionally passed by you and triggers an error, now you can fix the error with the correct code. And no shortcut at all. You will learn from the basic skill on how to use the Remix Ethereum editor, how to code well with Solidity, until the advanced skills create food supply chain applications and ERC20 token or cryptocurrency. And we will not leave you behind with all the questions and problems that you will encounter by yourself, but you will get our fully support. You can get access to the Udemy question and answer forums. So if you don't understand with any single lecture or more, then surely we are happy to help and answer all the questions you have. When you complete the course, you also get the certificate of completion, and you can also find the information how to download your certificate of completion, so you can post to your LinkedIn profile and showing to the potential employers. And all of these materials come from an amazing 30-day money-back guarantee, and we allow you to try and learn risk-free, and we are so sure you will love the course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and start to become an Ethereum blockchain engineer, get knowing how to create an ERC20 token or cryptocurrency, and be the part of the world that grow with this technology in these recent years and more years to come. And we are happy and waiting for you inside the course.